Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. My name is Adam Shahmi from EduGuide, and today I'm going to show you how to use Khan Academy. So you can search Khan Academy on Google. Go ahead to their website. So this is what their website looks like. I would recommend you to sign up an account so that Khan Academy save your progress and also keep your preference. So you can sign up with Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, and also your email. After signing up, they will show you this. What you need to do is to pick, and then you can hit continue, and you can choose what are you studying right now. For an example, we are studying science. So I'm going to choose physics library and also chemistry library. If you take biology, you can choose this one too. So then you can continue. And as you can see here, there are syllabus for your study. So for an example, we are going to start with one-dimensional motion. So we hit start, go through this one by one. So if you see this icon, this play button icon, it means this will direct you to a video, whereas this one will direct you to a page where you can read. So for an example, we go here, and then here is the video, and then when you click here, and then there's a text that you can read. Alright, so one more thing is you can practice to know if you really understand what you learn or not. By clicking this, you can do the quizzes and see your progress. So if you've watched the video and also you have looked to the text and you have read and gone through it, it will give you a tick icon just to tell you that you stopped here. So it is easy for you to track back when you open Khan Academy back again. Just to remind that Khan Academy has an application on Android and also iOS. So that is all from me. I hope this video benefits you a lot, and I'll see you guys soon.